Hello there, welcome to the Gist on Plug TV Live. On the Gist today, social media goes agog as political activist Omoyele Sowore is reportedly shot by a police officer. Let's check out details. A political activist and owner of Sowore Reporters, Omoyele Sowore, has reportedly been tear-gassed by a police officer in Abuja. According to sources, a female police officer fired a tear-gas canister at Mr. Sowore, who was at the Unity Fountain in Abuja for a protest. It was gathered that he sustained injuries from the shot and was rushed to a hospital for medical treatment. Announcing the incident on social media, here are some of the tweets we saw. DJ Adeyanju wrote on Twitter, "Got out of a meeting to join the protest at Unity Fountain, only for Femi Falana to call me asking if I was at Unity Fountain that Sowore has been shot by the police. This is Buhari's Nigeria, where protesters are treated like criminals. This is why many no longer believe in peace." Okwajala wrote, "The founder of Sowore Reporters, Omoyele Sowore, has been reportedly shot by a female police officer in Abuja. He was reportedly shot at the Unity Fountain in Abuja and has been rushed to the hospital." Meanwhile, a picture of the said police officer has been trending on social media as she is referred to as CSP Daniel and said to be an ex-SAS officer who shot Sowore and is also claimed to have supervised the killing of Shiite members and tear-gassed Charlie Boy. Meanwhile, the police have however denied this report, saying that no police officer shot Sowore. Guys, let's check out videos from the scene.
These people go yeah. Yeah, lies. No, nobody said.
Guys, no problem.
Make some people stay back.
Guys, no problem.
Make some people stay back.
Well, it has now been reported that Omoyele Sowore has been discharged from the hospital and is now back home. We'll bring you more updates in line with this. Remember to like and subscribe to Plug TV Live before you go.